Alright, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Hollywood here, and this is day 3 of Miami, and we're currently about to load up and head. Well, actually, we're gonna get rollers first. I don't think we're going to the pre-route of the event. I think we're gonna just go get rollers, and then we're gonna go straight to the event. Today, the event's at Broward Motorsports. Last night was fucking crazy. I don't know when, like, what order I'm gonna post the videos, but it was pretty crazy. Once the cops showed up, everybody kind of like scattered like roaches anyways, even though everybody was already kind of leaving. I know they said like no revving and stuff, but as soon as we got there, they had like a rev match battle and like fucking downshifting and all that other crazy stuff. But hopefully today will be a little bit better. And then after the meet, we have the FLG rod for the people that bought the FLG collab hoodie, or if they bought FLG merch. So I'm going to record that. I may throw it in this video, or I might make it a separate video. We also have a video coming up with oh my god, he's gonna kill me. We got a video coming up with Fastflow KC. I'm gonna let him rip the V4 while I whip his Beamer. It'll be you wanna be in the vlog?
I didn't know what you were doing.
I'm just recording.
YouTube, coming back, Miami. We saw you in Atlanta, baby. We're back in Miami. Let's get it.
Hell yeah. I'm gonna let Fastflow KC rip the V4. We're actually gonna swap bikes, and then we're gonna, well, fuck, I think he was supposed to be at the pre-ride, so I don't know. I'm gonna have to actually text him so I can see, but yeah, let's just get it. What?
Bitching to me about getting up. I beat you here.
Boy, please. Alright, boys, we just pulled up to the meet. Right now, there's fucking bikes everywhere. We can walk around a little bit, see who we see. We pulled up with our boys over here. VZ Rider with the pink S1K. Go walk around a little bit. There's the boy Kobe. Saw him last night. What's good? Oh yeah, a lot of bikes out here. Dude, it's like this is the perfect strip for roll racing too, because as we were pulling up, everybody just started ripping. It's like Fastflow's bike. Nah, I got a tag on it. Definitely got a tag on it. Rafa just pulled up. I'm gonna move my bike up here, honestly. I want to be in the front. Go hard up the boys. What's good, baby? What's up?
Yeah, I'm good. What's up, baby?
What's good? Oh yeah. We got this beautiful M. Oh my god. Bro, the wheels.
You like it?
Dude. That, oh my god. It sets this thing off. Yeah.
We had to talk him into bringing it.
Talk you into bringing it. That's crazy.
Cool, because I get to have multiple bikes out here, so.
That's crazy, bro. That shit is hard as fuck. What the hell? Oh, damn. Woo! Can't have money, baby. You cannot hide money. I'm gonna turn this key off before the battery goes dead. Yeah, man, that shit's clean as hell. Got the Fast Boy. This one's clean as hell too. I like what we did with the paint. Painted the carbon. The boy's crazy. I don't think I could ever do that. But yeah, I'm about to move my bike up here to the front. and then gonna get this thing started. A lot of roll racing builds out here. A lot of roll racing builds. We were cooking on the way here, and a bunch of them passed us, and we were like, hey, slow down, there's a cop in front of us. I'm about to move my bike up there. I'm about to move my bike up there with y'all.
Yeah, we're gonna head up this way.
Okay. This is about to be crazy. This is about to be fucking insane. I don't even know how we're gonna get out of here. It's crazy how they fit in that car. Are you ready?
I'm letting it get fast now. I gotta stay in the front. We got the legend Brian 666 right here. What's good, baby? Hell yeah. Uh-oh, the tandem. Are they gonna make it around the corner? Oh, Brian's gonna keep going. Oh, he makes the whole turn. Brian is definitely judging Toby for not keeping up that Willie. Okay, flex it on, flex it on. Alright, now we're about to get fucking crazy. Yeah, I'm ready for other heads on the track. I'm shot one right here, baby. That's up, man. That's a really up. That's making us. Nuts. Oh, baby. There's no way that this is real life. Welcome to Miami. Guy. You having fun? You having fun? Huh? Oh shit. Had to help me down. Let's get off the bike. Let's go walk around a little bit. Let me rock it on the blade. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Look at this fucking chaos. Hey, Goblin got a park spot right there. I was trying to get up here. Sir, you're already eating.
What we doing?
What are you doing, brother? I saw you over there tearing that shit up. Did you just get here?
guys. If you enjoyed that video, hit the like button, subscribe, share. I know it was a little chaotic. I couldn't get my drone up because we're in a restricted area right now. So I don't have a freaking drone license. So he's right there. I don't have a drone license, so I couldn't clear the area to be able to get my drone up in the air. But you know, I made do with what I had. So I got some slow-mo with my phone, try to put everybody in there. But if you guys enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe, share. This was a crazy ass turnout. And now we're about to go get some rollers. Marketplace. Marketplace. Yeah. Thank you. So yeah, it was crazy ass turnout. There's fucking bikes everywhere still. We got 12 out there on the street. Apparently somebody went down. Hope they're all right. But yeah, we got the boys, VZ Rider, myself. We got Phantom. We got the boy Moon. We got Fab Media. We're about to get some rollers, like I just said. And yeah, don't forget, wear your gear, ride safe, don't get caught in the rain, keep chasing greatness, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.